In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to Shopify from CJ Dropshipping. If you're new to dropshipping or trying to enhance your e-commerce game, this guide will make integrating products simple and straightforward. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in Shopify's website URL. Once there, log into your Shopify account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up. Shopify is a robust platform designed to help you create an online store, manage products, and process transactions seamlessly, so it's worth getting familiar with. Once logged in, turn your attention to the Shopify admin panel. Here, you'll find various sections critical to managing your store. For our task today, navigate towards the Apps section. This is where you will find all the installed apps or be able to install new ones that enhance the functionality of your Shopify store. The next step is to search for the CJ Dropshipping app within the Shopify App Store. This app is essential as it connects you with thousands of products suitable for dropshipping. Once you locate it, go ahead and click on it to install. Installation usually only takes a few moments. After the installation is complete, open the CJ Dropshipping app. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, you'll have to create an account. This step is crucial as it allows you to access their catalog and manage your dropshipping tasks efficiently. With your account set up, the next step is to authorize the connection between your CJ Dropshipping account and your Shopify store. Navigate to the Store Authorization section in the app and follow the prompts provided. In order to successfully connect the two platforms, you'll need to grant the necessary permissions. This enables CJ Dropshipping to sync with your store and automate various processes. Once the connection is solidly in place, it's time to dive into the catalog and start selecting products. Use the search bar in the CJ Dropshipping dashboard to find products you're interested in selling. You can also browse by categories or check out trending items to find popular products that might appeal to your customers. When you find a product that catches your eye, click on it to delve into its details. You'll want to take note of important information such as pricing, shipping costs, and available images. Ready to add a product to your store? Hit the List button. A pop-up window will appear, providing you with options to modify the product details like title, description, images, variants, and pricing. Customizing these fields is a smart way to ensure the product meets your store's brand and marketing strategies. Finally, you'll need to select the appropriate product type and vendor that aligns with your Shopify store's organization. After making these selections, click List or List Now to officially add the product to your Shopify store. And there you have it. The process is complete. By following these steps, you've successfully enhanced your Shopify store's offerings with products from CJ Dropshipping. Make sure to explore all available options in CJ Dropshipping to continue evolving your product lineup. Thank you for joining me today.